proceeding straight through the intersection has to be the easiest maneuver you can make, right? Welcome to our third video in a three-part series about navigating intersections. Last but not least, we have proceeding straight through an intersection. Now I know what you're thinking. Going straight forward is the easiest thing. While on the surface it may seem simple, underneath you still need to know what to watch out for at these intersections. Remember from a previous video, you only have the right of way when other drivers yield to you. So what are we looking for? First, you need to identify what is controlling the intersection. Have lights? Make sure yours is green and cross traffic is stopped. No lights? Make sure to check left and right to make sure that the cross street has stop signs and everyone is yielding accordingly. One thing you hopefully didn't forget about our last video is that you need to predict where potential conflicts might occur. Sure, you have a green light and may continue forward, but a green light for opposing traffic may mean the opportunity for someone to take an unprotected left turn. What happens when the vehicle decides to turn left directly in front of your path of travel? When other drivers fail to yield properly, it can certainly cause an emergency situation. Make sure you have a plan in place ahead of time so you may execute your plan at a moment's notice. Now, when you have a green light, only pedestrians moving in your direction also have a walk signal. But you are dealing with human beings who are notoriously unpredictable. Every time you enter an intersection, you are crossing two crosswalks. One when you enter, and two when you leave the intersection. Make sure both of these crosswalks are clear, even when the pedestrians shouldn't be crossing. You'd be surprised at when they may decide to actually cross. If you're about to cross straight through an intersection with a stop sign, while cross traffic does not have to stop, you're going to need to identify an appropriate gap in traffic, predict when the right time to proceed would be, decide to go, then execute the maneuver quickly so as not to linger within the intersection. Intersections are dangerous places, and it's where, unfortunately, a large number of collisions occur. But you can protect yourself by driving defensively and utilizing these skills to watch for all of these particular problem spots we've talked about. We hope you've enjoyed this episode of Safety Sessions. So to see more videos like this, click on subscribe to stay up to date on all the safe driving related content we will be putting out. And while you're at it, click on that bell icon to get notifications of when we do post a new video. To learn more about DriveSafe driving schools, visit www.drivesafecolorado.com or give us a call at 303-721-8881. We'll see you next time, but until then, always remember, drive safe. Video right there. Oh, video right over there too. How do I get out of here?